I call the member for Herbert.
Thank you very much, Deputy Speaker. Residents of Townsville lined the Strand and Jazeen Barracks on Saturday afternoon as the community marked the centenary of the 3rd Brigade with a Freedom of Entry march. 1,500 soldiers marched on Saturday. Brigadier Roger Noble, commander of the 3rd Brigade, said at the time, and I quote, "I don't think there is a better place to march in the country," end quote, as the soldiers stood before him at ease in perfect lines in Strand Park, facing Cleveland Bay with Castle Hill behind them and the newly created Jazeen Park just down the road. He went on to say, it is special, as never before has the freedom of entry to the city been given to a brigade. So at the centenary of the First World War and the 100 years of this brigade, Townsville is the first place to do this. The 3rd Brigade was first formed in 1914 under the initial command of British officer Colonel Ewan Sinclair McLagan. I know that the first commander and I share the same first name, and it's spelt the same. A coincidence? I think not. The brigade was made up of 9th Battalion from Queensland, 10th Battalion from South Australia, 11th Battalion from West Australia and 12th Battalion made up of Tasmanians, South Australians and West Australians. For this reason, the brigade was known as the All-Australian Brigade. The brigade is well known for leading the landing at Gallipoli. By the time the 3rd Brigade was withdrawn for reinforcements, half the 4,000-strong workforce was lost. 3rd Brigade was involved in World War II in the Pacific, based in Darwin and Townsville. However, it wasn't until 1967, when Laverack Barracks was built, the 3rd Brigade found a permanent home in my city of Townsville. Since then, the brigade has represented the ADF in many combat and peacekeeping roles, including Vietnam, Fiji, Operation Solace in Somalia, Bougainville, the horrors of Rwanda, Rhodesia and Zimbabwe, Uganda, Cambodia and the First Gulf War. 1999 saw combat units sent to East Timor and in recent years deployment to Iraq, Afghanistan and the Solomon Islands as part of Ramsey. The 3rd Brigade represents over 4,000 soldiers at Laverack Barracks in Townsville. The brigade forms an integral part of our community. They have families, they play sport, they volunteer and of course contribute immensely to the local economy. Deputy Speaker, Townsville enjoys a fantastic relationship between the city, the ADF and the 3rd Brigade is the major part of that, along with RAF base in Townsville. But it has not always been that way. It was not until we sent personnel to Somalia that they went from army jerks to our boys. Credit must go to 3 parties. The ADF, who made the commitment to be part of the city, the Mayor at the time, Tony Mooney, who led the charge to bring them into our hearts and lives, and the Townsville Bulletin, who pushed and moulded public opinion. Those 3 officers still hold great responsibility, and may that always be so.
Member's time has expired.